Meaning of Hoagy Carmichael.
Hoagy Carmichael.
Hoagy Carmichael.
Hoagy Carmichael.
Hoagy Carmichael. Hoagy Carmichael was an American composer, pianist and singer born in 1899 and died in 1981. He was known for his distinctive style of music that incorporated elements of jazz, blues, and Tin Pan Alley. He wrote many popular songs including Stardust, Georgia on My Mind and Heart and Soul. He also acted in over a dozen films and was inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame in 1971. Carmichael's legacy continues to influence both jazz and pop music to this day, making him an important figure in American music history.